Even the highest quality interior doors will eventually need a fresh coat of paint. With the right techniques and tools, it's easy to give them a professional-looking finish. Here's what you'll need to paint a door off its hinges. First, remove the hardware from the door, and if you plan on replacing it, have the new knobs or hinges on site, ready to install. You'll also want to select a paint scheme like satin or semi-gloss that's easy to clean. Next, you'll need to remove the door to avoid drips and runs. Drive the hinge pins out using a hammer and a screwdriver. If necessary, have a helper hold the door as you remove the pins. Then, place the door on the sawhorses. If it's a panel door, paint the recessed panels first. Then the horizontal rails. And finish by painting the vertical stiles. This method ensures you won't leave any unnecessary brush marks. Be sure to let the door dry completely before flipping it over to paint the opposite side or applying another coat. If a second coat is necessary, sand the door lightly with a fine grit paper, then wipe the door down with a tack cloth before adding a second coat. Once the door is dry to the touch, rehang it and install the new hardware. With a little extra effort and the right technique, your interior doors will look like new again. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.